Hello everybody. This is the second talk in our program of Monsoon 2021 season. Today I am discussing heavy rainfall over Mumbai that occurred on 9 June 2021. I, Jivan Prakash Kulkarni, presenting the meteorological features that caused the heavy rainfall over Mumbai region. These are the pictures of the flood situation which occurred because of the heavy rainfall over Mumbai on 9 June 2021. This shows the daily climatology of rainfall over west coast of India, which is applicable to Mumbai also. This is from the study of Francis and Garge 2005. So during the month of June, there is increase in the daily rainfall continuously, and first peak of the rainfall occurs in the second week of June, and there is another peak in the first week of July, and there is third peak in the month of August. So after July, the daily rainfall decreases. That is because of the cooling of the Arabian Sea. The synoptic features which cause the heavy rainfall over the west coast of India are tropical convergence zone TCZ, which is extending from the Arabian Sea to the Bay of Bengal, then the offshore convection, then mid-tropospheric cyclone and offshore vortex. The rainfall recorded at different locations in Mumbai at 12-hour rainfall at 3.44 p.m. The rainfalls are 156 millimeters at Chembur, 234 millimeters at the Juhu, and 165 millimeters at Ram Mandir. As per the definition of IMD, if rainfall is more than 130 millimeters in a day, it is called heavy rainfall. So with this criteria, some of the locations in Mumbai, Chembur, Juhu, Ram Mandir received heavy rainfall, very heavy rainfall on 9 June 2021. So this rainfall is because of some of the synoptic features that we have discussed. Let us see the mid-tropospheric cyclone and low-level convergence at the lower levels 950, 925 HPA and 850 HPA. These charts are from IMD. So this shows the region where the winds are very strong, and while flowing downstream the speed decreases, and this is the region where the speed convergence is occurring at 950 HPA. Same is seen at 850 HPA also. This is clearly seen in the windy chart. This is the region where the wind speed is about 15 meter per second, and here green shows this wind speed is 5 to 10 meter per second. So there is a decrease in wind speed, and that causes the speed convergence and convergence of the air mass. This is at lower level 1000 millibar, and similar picture is seen at 850 millibar. Also strong winds are here, and they are decreasing downstream, decreasing there. So that causes the convergence, speed convergence, and which is very favorable for formation of the cloud system. At higher levels, at 700 HPA level, we see that winds which are coming from the north, and they are becoming northeasterly and turning over the Arabian Sea, giving this cyclonic vorticity, positive cyclonic vorticity over the Arabian Sea and part of the Indian land. Similarly, at 500 HPA level, we say a cyclonic vorticity over the Arabian Sea. So these features, they are favorable for convergence and vertical velocity for formation of the cloud system. This is clearly seen from this chart. These are the charts from topic.ssec.vic.edu. So at 850 HPA, we can see the cyclonic vorticity over the west coast of India, south of Gujarat. The positive vorticity, this color shows the positive vorticity. Similar positive vorticity is seen at 500 HPA level of the west coast of India also. Then this is the region of upper level divergence over the west coast of India. The vertical velocity over the west coast of India is seen very peculiar. So this shows negative omega values mean upward velocity in the just above the surface to 700 HPA level, and 700 and 500 HPA level. There is cyclonic vorticity which takes this moist air upward to form the deep clouds, and there is a divergence at higher levels, more higher than the 600 HPA level. And this also clearly shows the upward velocity over the lower levels, and then there is a divergent flow at upper level. That clearly shows this is the conducive for development of deep convection. And Scuti plot shows the moist adiabatic convection. The moisture is lifted to form the convective clouds. These are the satellite pictures. This IR picture shows a patch of deep clouds of the west coast of India. Similarly, we can see this is also in the visible picture, the IMD. Water vapor shows that is the strong concentration of water up to latitude of Mumbai in the upper levels, and north of it there is very low water vapor, and this shows the CTBT, that is cloud top temperatures. So this shows very low temperature indicating the deep clouds of the west coast of India. The lightning activity shows most of the lightning over Indian Ghats region, and particularly no lightning activity over the Arabian Sea region. So in summary, heavy rainfall at Mumbai on 9 June 2021. Climatologically, heavy rainfall occurs for Mumbai in the second week of June, which is so this year's rainfall on 9 June is consistent with the climatological rainfall over west coast of India and Mumbai. There are four synoptic features driving heavy rainfall over Mumbai. These are tropical conversion zone, offshore convection, offshore vortex, and mid-tropospheric cyclone. Strong westerly winds at lower levels, that is 950 to 850 HP level for Arabian Sea, with downstream decreasing in velocity, created low-level convergence off west coast of India near Mumbai coast. Positive cyclone vorticity at 700 and 500 HPA level, resembling with the mid-tropospheric cyclone activity. Heavy rainfall occur over Mumbai due to northward migration of tropical conversion zone, also offshore convection and partly mid-tropospheric cyclone. Initial vertical velocity generated due to convergence at lower levels, which is further supported by the positive vorticity at 700 and 500 HPA level to strengthen the upward motion. Upper level divergence at 200 millibars supported the vertical motion of air mass for development of deep clouds of the west coast of India. High rainfall at Santa Cruz and Zoo compared to Colaba is because of a small hillock of 300 feet high, which gives the additional upward velocity and the high rainfall at Santa Cruz and Zoo. This is from the Rao 1976. So with this I end my presentation, and I thank for listening the presentation. If you have any question, please write to jrksop@gmail.com. Thank you very much.